Hello traders, hope you're all doing well. In this video, I'm just going to give you a quick run through of the Euro Pound EA for MT4 and MT5, which I have developed that you can use completely free of charge. Please help yourself to a copy by using the link in the description below. In this video, I'm just going to give you a brief rundown of the EA, the various settings and the ways in which you can implement it within your own trading strategy. So as I said, this EA is for MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5. Got the MT4 platform here. Okay, you can see in the strategy tester window, I've loaded up the EA and the symbol Euro Pound. You can actually use this EA with any trading instrument that you like and any chart time frame. We have a chart here, Euro Pound 1 hour chart. So how could this EA help? Well, for example, let's just say we're in the scenario here where you can see the market has hit this resistance point, okay? Trending upwards here, but forming a wedge/diamond formation and a breakout to the downside here. You've obviously got the market making these lower highs here as well. So we're in a bearish scenario here. We would have been looking to sell prior to this down here, okay? And rather than just sit and stare at the charts all day waiting for this to happen, granted, this is a 1 hour chart, so you would only need to check back hourly if you were doing that. What we can do is get the EA to give us signals. So go to the expert properties. These are all the settings of the EA. As you can see, it's comprehensive. It took me a very long time to develop this by basically implementing the majority of the indicators that you find in the MT4 and MT5 platform, all of which can be set to true or false, depending if you want to use them or not. For example, moving average, envelopes, parabolic SAR, Bollinger Bands, Ichimoku, ADX, the ADX trend, ADX level, all the different settings of the majority of indicators, CCI, stochastics, whether that's stochastics trending, stochastic extreme, so on and so forth. You get the point basically. When you get this EA, you have complete freedom to use it as you wish and get signals or place trades depending on any indicators that you like. In addition to these candlestick patterns here, so engulfing bar, spinning top, shooting stars, just the most popular candlestick patterns that can also be set to true if you want them to confirm trades, or you can have no pattern set to true, in which instance the EA can take a trade regardless. Okay, so we also have your alerts. You can have pop-up alerts, email alerts, or SMS alerts. Along with the use trading option, if set to true, the EA can actually place the trade for you in case you're away from your machine and you want the trade done. You can just check back when you have a chance and modify it accordingly. You've got your days filter, your hours filter. If you want to trade a particular trading session, you can. Okay, perhaps you want to scalp the Euro Pound during the Asian session, you can adjust the hours there. You can close trades at a certain hour or minute as well. If you want to avoid the rollover or perhaps not trade overnight, you can close on Friday if you wish to try and avoid weekend gaps. Don't want to get caught on the wrong side of those, especially if you consider your stop loss might not be triggered. Maximum spread, maximum slippage help you avoid unfavorable market conditions. You can choose to trade with fixed lots or a risk percentage, in which instance the EA can calculate the lot size for you. Stop loss, take profit, self-explanatory. Hedging, true or false. Equity check, so you can terminate the EA if your minimum or maximum equity goes below or above any of these levels. There's a break even and trading stop included as well. If you want to lock in your position and try to catch some big moves, you can close a percentage of the trade as well. So there you go, basically a complete EA included, loads of indicators, candlestick patterns, money management, majority of things you can think of. So going back to this scenario that we said here, we would have been looking for a sell trade based on the support, resistance, trend lines, and candlestick formations as well. Through inside down, you've got big inverted hammer there. Okay, so after this, we had this breakout of this trend line here. You've also got this double top pattern breaking out lower highs. We're in for a sell trade. So let's just say we wanted to wait for a pullback. We want to be alerted when there's been a pullback here. So we know that, okay, maybe it's time to now start looking for a trade. So if we just use, let's say, the envelopes indicator, pop that on the chart, we could have got an alert here using the EA, see here, when there's pullback on the upper envelope. Once we get that alert, we say, okay, there's been a pullback, we're in a downtrend, let's time our entry. And you could have entered aggressively there if you wanted, okay? Or you could have fired up your chart and just said, okay, I'm going to wait for this to play out. You actually have a 3 inside down pattern there as well. As an inverted hammer again, so again, bearish signals. And then you could have just either gone for this level of support, okay, or you could have waited for the move to play out a bit more and gone for this level of support. As you can see, a lot of people were probably watching this level. Okay, support there, support there, support here, and a big breakout candle to the downside. And the EA could have alerted you to be prepared for this scenario playing out if you didn't take the initial aggressive entry. Okay, so that's just one of the many, many different ways in which you can use it. You can combine indicators, you can have, let's just go for, if you want to perhaps have a trend line, so just say, let's use a moving average, simple moving average, below the 200, we're going to look for sell trades. Okay, and then we're going to wait for pullbacks off the CCI, okay. Price falls below the 200, CCI is extremely overbought, potential sell trade there. Okay, there as well, overbought CCI, price below the 200, potential sell trade there. Of course, you need to have good money management. You don't want to sell at the low either, you don't want to buy at the high. Basic common sense, but yeah, this EA free to use as you wish. You can also optimize it, test various combinations, see what you can come up with anytime from any instrument. I'm sure you'll find it useful, and as I said, completely free to use. Help yourself to copy using the link in the description below. Please like and subscribe for more. Thank you for watching and take care.